Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Deputy Commissioner jangka East Khasils District kong Mat Seudor Wan Nongbri hane kesngi kat santrik benai rempang arjar kat Khyndai kalapen benai ke Operation Zero Litter ne ke jimput khoi Khyndai lat kaban sedang nadu mentah kesngi kat santrik rempang ya kini ke jimput khoi ke Khyndai lat on sedang dak jing trilang jangka Shillong Municipal Board bat katnat Home Guards bat Civil Defence ke kong Mat Seudor haba keren hani kesngi shwaban pen benai ya kini ke operation kalau khot bat wer ki Paidbah nong ya nong yang ki nong chung dukan ki nong ya kali bat ki we bakin pediang ki ni ka thong ban penlong ki Khyndai lat ka balaj na ka jing jabo be isat met na ka bajulong baro skata khnang ban wara biang ki nam ku burom jong ki ni ka chaka ka bajusle man la kasngi da ki bre ki bujuan na bar ka jala banon pet ya ka jing tanat jong sor Shillong bat ki ki chaka ki budan hak hapsar
Shillong Meghalaya was known for its beauty, known for its landscapes, known for its people, known for our hospitality. But we know, as of today, that is almost a dream. We don't intend that to happen. We love our place, we love our city, we love our state, and we intend to take today's program forward in the right earnest. I thank the Shillong Municipality Board and the Home Guards and Civil Defence and all the organizations who have come forward to start this campaign today. As CEO had already mentioned, yes, we've had many meetings in this regard, but meetings are meetings. Plans can be made on paper, but nothing will happen until and unless we start on the ground, and we all know that. Physical activity, the activity on the ground will actually bring out the importance of this cause. We are here because we feel that it is important that we bring our citizens together with us to take up this matter of zero littering, not only in Pynkhuid but throughout the city and the state too. I would not take it as a small step, I take it as a very big step, and a step that is very, very important. Because this is the center of all activities. As the director has already mentioned, it is the center of all activities in the northeast. People look to Shillong, people look to Police Bazaar, they want to know what Khyndai Lat is. And their impression of Shillong and impression of Khyndai Lat, be it here in our state, or the northeastern region, or the country, or the world, have a very, very big perception of what it is. We have to live up to the perceptions of people on what their expectations are. There's a lot to be done. We see dirt everywhere, we see litter everywhere, and we have no one else to blame but ourselves. And when I see ourselves, I mean all of us, as citizens of our beautiful city, of our beautiful state. I call upon everyone who gathered here and all those who are the floating population who come to Shillong, who come to Meghalaya, to be part of this campaign. Because as organizations who are here today, the Civil Defence Home Guard, the Khyndai, Khyndai, and other organizations who are helping, we can only do so much. It has to come from our hearts, it has to come from our minds, that yes, we believe in what we are doing. Yes, we believe that zero littering can be done. Yes, I understand that 30 days is not a long time, but I feel that it is a very good start. Start where our citizens should understand that we have places in the city, we have places to throw our litter in, and we have people who are also on the watch, on the lookout, who will help us in the next few days. But yes, it is our responsibility to ensure that the litter we have around is put in the right place.
An important announcement. According to Solid Waste Management Handling Rule 2016 and the order of Honorable NGT Code, no waste generator shall throw, burn, bury the solid waste generated by him. In collaboration with the Office of the Shillong Municipal Board, Home Guard and Civil Defence, Khyndai Lat stretch has been declared as a zero-litter zone. You are requested not to litter the different types of waste that are generated by you. Use the public dustbin and litter bins which are installed in the road of Khyndai Lat. The shopkeepers are requested to put dustbins in their respective shops. There are two types of bins, green and blue bins, that your customers can use whenever required. No urination in public places. You are requested to use the public toilets which are around the corners of Khyndai Lat. Anyone found violating will be penalized and fined according to polluters pay principle.
Kanikalang Pajikin Paidbah, Bakakum solid waste management handling rules and the Khyndai, Bakajipata and the Kashari, the NGT, Lamana, Pusha, and Velpata, the Ginu Detective, the Suraki Water, Nala, Jaka Paidbah. But ka office jangka Home Guard and Civil Defence, Bayaka Khyndai Lat, Lapin Bana Paidbah, Bakandai ka zero littering zone. Sumaba ban boat ikikindon. Lakarpa ipi banum bread patari kinyot kinyer, ba pipin mi nadu ki baret hadu ki baher. Pindan kami ki dustbin ki badan arjait bala penyeng hasurak saudong ka Khyndai Lat ban bread ikinyot ki jongpi. Lakarpa ikinong shong dukan bakin bu laki jong ki dustbin kata karong jerngam pat karong blue kenang baki nong thiet kin la ban pindan kami ki. Lakarpa ipi banum lej pinchi ne lej bar shakijaka Paidbah. Pindan kami ki jaka lej bar Paidbah badan haki saudong jong ka Khyndai Lat. The Solid Waste Management Handling Rule 2016 और माननीय एनजीटी कोड के आदेश के अनुसार कोई भी कचरा निकलने वाला जलाना और दफनाना मना है। डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की ओर से डिप्टी कमिश्नर ईस्ट खासी हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट, शिलोंग म्युनिसिपल बोर्ड और होम गार्ड सिविल डिफेंस ने मिलकर Khyndai Lat पुलिस बाजार इलाका को आप लोगों की तरफ से जो कचरा निकलता है उसे यहाँ वहाँ मत फेंकिए, यानी जैविक कचरा को हरे रंग का डस्टबिन और अजैविक कचरा को नीले रंग का डस्टबिन में रखना चाहिए। जो व्यक्ति नियम का ना मानने वालों को मिलता है तो उसको शिलोंग म्युनिसिपल बोर्ड और होम गार्ड जो ये एरिया को देखभाल करेगा उसे सूचित कर सकता है। शिलोंग का खोया हुआ गौरव को वापस लाने के लिए शुरू किया गया ऑपरेशन ज़ीरो लिटरिंग कैंपेन का हिस्सा बनिए और गर्व महसूस करें। धन्यवाद।